In short, you can say this is the part 2. In my previous video, I have swatched shade number 4 and shade number 5. On one side it was shade number 4 and on one side it was shade number 5. Now today in this video, it will be shade number 1, that is the variant number 1, and on one side it will be variant number 2. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now y'all must be, I'm 100% sure y'all must be wondering, again Meghna today is going to show nybae face palettes which she has already shown in the previous video. Then you are wrong. You can say this is a continuation. In short, you can say this is the part 2. In my previous video, I have swatched shade number 4 and shade number 5. On one side it was shade number 4 and on one side it was shade number 5. Now today in this video, it will be shade number 1, that is the variant number 1, and on one side it will be variant number 2. Now I will not tell you the packaging and all that stuff. If you at all you want to know all that details, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you want to know all that other details, you can go ahead and you can watch that video. Today in this video, we will just focus on the face swatches, that is on the demo as well as on the hand swatches. Right now, that is why you cannot see any of the face products, that is blush, contour and highlighter on my cheeks. So I will be doing all the demo today. Now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now before moving ahead with the demo, I just would like to let you know my lipstick details. It is from the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay weightless liquid lipstick in the shade 05. I think I have 10 to 12 shades, I'm not sure. I have a full in-depth detailed review video of this. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if at all you are a lipstick lover like me, you can go ahead and you can watch that video. So this is the lipstick what I'm having right now on my lips. Now let's begin with the demo. On the one side, that is on my right hand side, it will be palette number 1, you can see, and on my left hand side it will be palette number 2. Okay, and just for the reference, this is palette 4 and 5. So definitely if you want to see the hand swatches, I'll try to give you the hand swatches either in the middle of the video or maybe in the end of the video, and whatever is there you can definitely go ahead and you can watch. Right, so now first we'll take the contour shade. I'll first give you the close-up of shade number, let me see, 1. This is the close-up of variant 1. Okay, now I'll be taking the contour shade of this particular variant and I'll apply, what I'll do is I'll apply first face palette number 1 so that you will have an idea, and then I'll go for the palette number 2, because if at all you are here only for palette 1, then you will have the information. If you are only for 2, you can just go ahead check that video, that particular part. Now you can see this is palette number 1, the contour, the blush and the highlighter. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture the highlighter shade or no, because this is silvery starky white highlighter, and generally I do not apply such kind of highlighter on my face, but still since we are reviewing, I'm doing it. Now on my left I'll be doing the palette number 2. Same way, I won't talk, I'll directly show you the demo. So we'll start with the demo of palette number 2 on the left hand side. Now you can see this is the palette number 2. The contour, the blush, the highlighter. I am not sure whether the highlighter is reflecting or no. Okay, so now this is basically the swatches of all the palettes. Now what we will do, I'll just give you the hand swatches. Basically, I've tried to cover, I tried to show you the each and everything very clearly. Still, if you have any query, any question, do let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can follow me over there and you can DM me over there. I try to respond you as soon as possible. And if at all you have any other new launches video which you want me to make a video on, any new launches ideas which you want me to make a video on, let me know that also over here or either on Instagram. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, and don't go without liking the video. As I always say, your one like will encourage me to make more such kind of 100 videos. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.